dream, please be a dream, please be a dream, please be a dream! Let me wake up from this nightmare! I think I'm gonna cry. The heck is that? Something just pricked me. It's huge! You better not start talking to me! I don't want to hear it from you! You've already lost the battle! I told you not to talk to me! Things like you give me the creeps, alright? Take a look at your hands! My hands? Why? What's wrong with my hair? What's this? A spider bit you, didn't it? You're gonna turn into one before long. Huh? What's up with this guy? What do you think you're doing?
Get a hold of yourself! We're going to continue training! Come down from there! You hear me, Zenitsu? Stop crying and running away! Doing that isn't going to get you anywhere!
I've had enough of it all!
Getting hit by lightning. How unlucky can you get? I want to change. I want to be a capable individual.
I'm doing absolutely everything that I can, but I still have to be turned into some horrific spider creature! Oh crap! Don't climb up here! Huh? I don't understand this guy at all.
Zenitsu, perfect it! It's all right to cry, or go off by yourself. Just don't ever give up. Believe in yourself. Focus on what you do best!
He's gonna fall on his head and die.
Thunder breathing technique. First form. Thunder breathing. First form.
Get him! Inject more poison into his veins! Poison sputum!
Sixfold! Thunder breathing. First form. Thunderclap and flash!